this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make Discord Music Bot without coding. So before we start, make sure that you subscribed our channel. Let's go. First, open Discord and join to my channel. Open file sharing part so you can find the sources. Copy the Replit link and paste it on the Google. If you're from Iran, don't forget to turn on the VPN. Open the site and click on the fork button. Before going to the Replit, let's make Discord bot and get the token. On the Google, search Discord Developer Portal and open it. Open the hamburger menu and click on the application. Click on New Application. Choose name for your bot. For example, Bear Development. In here you can choose profile picture for your bot. I will skip this part. If you have problem to create bot, you can watch our other videos how to make Discord bot. Don't forget to copy the bot token. So I add the bot to the server. Let's go to Replit. In the left side of the page you can see a secret button. Click on that. Click on the new secret. In the key part, write token with capital letters. On the value, paste your bot token. Again, create new secret. In key part, write owner ID. Pay attention of writing form. Create last secret and on key write prefix, and on the value select your bot prefix and write it on the value. Click on the green run button and go to Discord. Here your bot. Congratulations, you made bot under 5 minutes.